don't you pick on someone your own size? Okay, maybe we're a little unclear on the concept of your own size.
Maybe you should stop talking logic to a creature that has no
The creature appears to be made of metal wrapped in living organisms.
I think it might be from Cybertron.
What makes you say that?
Call it a hunch.
So much for that piece of our spaceship theory. How do we stop it?
Just like any other opponent, search for its weakness.
Still searching, I take it?
We just need to formulate a plan.
How's this for a plan? Run!
I think we've lost it.
What did I tell you about camping? Monsters. TV is always right.
So wait, monsters are real? Tutorbot is such a liar.
It's not a monster. You said yourself it's Cybertronian.
You got anything that ugly back on Cybertron?
Yeah, but Bulkhead's back at the plant.
Let's focus, please. And stick to the facts. We know it's made of non-sentient metal, coupled with living organisms, and gives off a Cybertronian energy signal.
Space barnacles!
Barnacles? You mean those gross things that attach to boats?
Only when space barnacles attach to a ship, they drain its energy and act like a computer virus. They must have picked up residual Cybertronian energy before we crashed on Earth.
That would explain the signal Prime was picking up. So, why not just burn them off like we used to do with the barnacles on our ship?
These seem more powerful. They weren't draining energy from those construction machines. They were controlling them. Something on Earth must have mutated them.
Probably all this fresh air. Given the bright lights, big city.
And they could end up taking over every machine in Detroit. Or have you forgotten how quickly space barnacles can multiply?
So, we have to go back and find that thing.
Ah, great. Just when we got done running away from it.
What is this place?
I think it's one of my dad's mining sites. He's always got people digging here. Who knows what he's looking for? My key's picking up a signal.
Must be residual energy. The creature has clearly been here.
Think it went inside for dessert?
Just be careful. And whatever you do, don't let the barnacles touch you, or you'll be dessert too. Stay back.
Attention, barnacle monster! Come out with your hands over your... Well, you don't have a head, but you get the idea.
Do you mind?
What? I'm just trying to break the tension.
Do you mind?
That wasn't me. We need to find another way out.
Looks like all those hours playing medieval maze monsters are about to pay off. The sun rises in the east, so the maze never starts sideways. Always make 2 rights, then a left, but skip every other turn. And that should take us...
Right back where we started.
Turn up the heat on these barnacles.
This sure beats roasting swamp mellows.
That's marshmallows.
One order of fried space barnacles coming up. Make that poached space barnacles. Look where nature got you. Barnacles. Luckily, we can depend on good old mother technology. Right, Prowl?
Prowl?
Run!
Don't worry, Sorry. If anyone can fight the control of those space barnacles, it's Prowl. We're slagged. Come on, Prowl! You're not gonna let a bunch of wimpy little space barnacles control you, are you?
Maybe the key will heal him.